Hi, this is Jean with WTI. And as I recently moved to another apartment, the cleaning process for me has been a little bit complicated. But this is where the scrubbing bubbles drop-ins comes into place. So one of the first things that I did while I moved here is that I just buy one of these guys, clean the whole tank of the toilet, and I just use one of these drop-ins that it stays for weeks and weeks and it's going to clean, continuously going to be cleaning the whole tank of the water of your toilet. And not only that, this actually keeps the whole environment in a cleaner space. The water is actually, well, I was a kid when I would go to one of those places that the water of the toilet would look blue. It felt like really fancy. So it kind of is a little bit like nostalgic now that I'm thinking. But the whole idea of keeping your whole space hygienic, like whole clean, continuously clean, and keeping the whole tank of your toilet clean, it's pretty much a great situation here. So this was John with WATI, and that was my point of view.